I'm going to make a really sort of quick Tabouli. So it's not a traditional Tabouli, although it's got some traditional methods in there. I'm going to use cooked buckwheat instead of bulga. I've then got parsley. I've got some celery tops. So we don't want to waste food in the kitchen, so I've saved the celery tops. I'm going to slice them up super fine. It adds a really nice light, fresh flavour in there. I've got some garlic, some chilli, some citrus. So rind and juice all together, some olive oil, done. This is so tasty, herbaceous, acidic. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out bondiharvest.com. All these recipes are free to download. Get on there, subscribe. I'm gonna eat this and we'll see you next week.